Hello students, today I will be teaching you English Literature of class 2nd, chapter number 3 of unit 1st, that is Rainy Day. So I will be reading it and then explaining you by each lines. It is raining outside. Rocky and Bobby cannot go out to play. They are sad. It means that it is heavily raining outside, and that's the reason that Rocky and Bobby cannot go out to play, and that's why they are upset, means sad. We can also use another word for sad, that is upset. Now Mummy sees their sad faces. She plans to engage them in some pleasure-giving work. Now Mother see their sad faces, so she plans to engage them. Engage them means busy them in some pleasure. Pleasure means in some happiness-giving work. Come and help me to make sandwiches, she says. And the mother asks them to come and help her to make sandwiches. The children run to the kitchen. They make the sandwiches. Mummy makes lemonade. Lemonade is a drink of water and lemon. Now she pours it into 3 glasses. Rocky and Bobby, why don't we enjoy a picnic? Now Rocky and Bobby think that there are so many things like sandwiches and a lemonade, so they think for a picnic, that they should enjoy a picnic. Mummy, we cannot, it is raining. But Mummy say that outside it is raining, so we won't be able to go outside and enjoy. Bobby, we can have a picnic inside. Then Bobby suggested that we can have a picnic inside. Rocky, oh yes, I will bring the rug from our room. Rug means small carpet used to lay for picnic. Bobby, and I will get the games for the picnic. The children run to bring things from the for the picnic. They are not sad, they are happy and excited. And now as they try to enjoy the picnic, they are happy and excited. Answer these questions orally. What was going on outside the house? Raining. Outside it was raining. Why are the children sad? The children are sad because they cannot go out to play because it is raining. So do the rest on your own. Now come to take the correct answer. Mommy pours lemonade in dash glasses. In 3 glasses. For Mommy, for Rocky and for Bobby. The children run to the kitchen. The children run to bring things for the picnic. Rocky goes to bring the dash from room, the rug. Now we will be turning out the pages. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Mommy makes lemonade. The dash run to the kitchen, the children. In this way, do the rest on your own. Now come to write true and false for the following statement. T for true and F for false. The children run to the kitchen. True. Rocky brings the game. False. Bobby says that they can have a picnic inside. True. The children makes lemonade. False. Answer the following questions. Why cannot Rocky and Bobby play outside? Because it was raining outside. What does Mummy say to the children? Mummy asks the children to come and help her in making sandwiches. And now do the rest of your own. So here comes to the end of the chapter. Thank you.